Good morning and welcome to the first edition of the Monthly Morning Cup of Joe. With 2 months left in the year, it's a race to the finish and the market is clearly in party mode. But looking down the chessboard, what is really going to push the tape in either direction, up or down? Well, earnings are mostly done. There's no political headlines for now. The fiscal cliff and the debt ceiling have been kicked down the road until January. And there's really nothing out of Europe besides the fact that we got caught spying on Angela Merkel, but that's another story for another day. The market right now is getting a boost. That's what's keeping it up. And it's from a couple of things, and it's an annual type of deal. And the first thing is hedge funds are behind the curve. They've been behind the curve for a while, and they're trying to play catch-up. So you're seeing money come into these funds. You're also seeing some investors pool into mutual funds in the November-December timeframe. Typically, that's when you see the biggest inflows, and it's for tax reasons. But those are big drivers in money inflow into the market. So those are just some seasonality type of deals that are going on. Now I'll go ahead and add in the fact that there's no tapering for the foreseeable future, and it's party time. So what is still apparent, however, this is the other side of the coin, is earnings are still being manufactured. And we've talked about this before, but what that means is that companies are buying back their stock, they're laying off workers, cutting the fat, and they're doing mergers and acquisitions to make themselves, it makes their earnings look better than they are, making themselves look better than they really are, but you can only do that for so long. Eventually it's going to come to catch up with you. And another trend that is developing along kind of that same fashion is a declining retail sales year over year. And if you think about it, retail sales is a big part of what drives the economy. It's consumer spending. And if that is declining, yet the market is at all-time highs, it doesn't correlate very well. So it kind of makes you scratch your head and go, huh. But until reality sets in, until last call, if you will, quote unquote, is called, you got to continue partying. So tune into the Joe. I'll see you guys next time.